What's up, guys? It's Vishnu here, and welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm play a game called Roblox. You guys know You guys know what game Roblox is, but I'm gonna play a Roblox game called It's called Schoolhouse. So I'm gonna try this game out because I never tried this game out. It's like a baldi game right now. The Schoolhouse loading by YRYLLION. I don't know what that name is. Okay, this is a good. Okay, I like the song that is coming right now. It's like playing right now. It's good. I kind of love the jam right now. So, I hear principal whistling. This is free. Okay, this free is a pack and then no pack. I really was there, but a pack. This is also pack, but transport. There it is. But I think the round is like progress now. So it says the school name round in progress? So that's why it's saying like round in progress. I don't know, like the school, like the round is like round in progress right now. So it's really round in progress. So I never like tried this game before, so I'm gonna like try it. What is this best state thing? I can. School layer. Okay. 0703 stars. Students capture. I like this song though. It's good. They got detention. Okay. I don't wanna. I hate it. I don't wanna. They got detention. I think this is like a multiplayer game of baldi. Like this is a multiplayer game of baldi. This is a multiplayer game of baldi, which is kind of good, and I kind of love it. So yeah, guys. Yeah, this is Roblox in Roblox, a multiplayer, a multiplayer baldi game in Roblox. So yeah, why is there a park here? Have I seen a park in baldi? I played baldi, but turns not record. But I didn't say a baldi. I played baldi plus. Means just stupid dumb. I don't like it. I hate it. Okay, round in progress. What is that? Okay, guys. 3 students just got captured, so I'm gonna state right now. This student is in. I didn't see this thing. I didn't see. I don't know this thing whether it's. Oh gosh, the baldi's right over there, and the baldi's chasing him. That's playtime. That's playtime. Oh gosh, that's really playtime right now. Stating not doing good. Okay, really, there's 2 students like got captured. It's a very stupid thing. Get to be gibberish guy. Save them, okay? They're like in the school layer. Like save them. I don't know why you're not saving them, but 8 minutes is left. Save them. Especially in chocolate bunny ears 5. It's been like a very here. Camera. No, I don't want to lose the game. Okay. Where's the cursor? Huh? Why is it? Okay, there we go. It's not moving for a second there. Jaden 20. I cannot read that name. I just cannot. I can, but that was a very worst reading. I'm gonna read again. It's stating Jaden 20 ZZ. What am I reading? What? Okay, ZZ. Correct. This guy's baldi. This guy is baldi. He walks kind of weird, and like this roller slapping sound. I can't hear it though. I can't hear. I don't know. Oh, I can't hear the roller slapping sound. Okay, I can hear. Please don't be anyone in this classroom. So you're gonna get captured. It's like I think it's like 51 seconds. You get captured. I played this game. I got captured. That's the principal. I thought this baldi was a student, and then like the principal is gonna give baldi a detention. I don't know. Like I didn't see baldi getting detention. That is a very worst That's not worst, but that is kind of worse in a weird talk because Baldi never gets detention. Baldi like never gets detention, which is a very good thing. There's 7 notebooks. Is there? You know what? I'm really gonna stay Baldi. Saved. Okay, I'm gonna stay Baldi. And so, okay, I thought that was a student, but that's a principal right there. Oh gosh, can Baldi send principal in the school there? That's a very bad thing. He doesn't do that. Time 6 minutes. 03 students got captured. This is bully. What? He can't get passed by bully. In real game, he get passed, but in this game, he don't get no. Oh no! Please. Okay, he gave the candy. Where's the noob? I'm supposed to be the noob guy. Money girl is captured. No, she's not captured. Ah, she was captured. I thought that this area school. No! Playtime! Get away! Get away, noob guy! Has a New Year red though. Wanna get that in the avatar shop. Oh no, please! Okay, now it's gonna jump 5 times. What? That is the weird. Okay, that is the fastest jump ever. Okay, that is not present really in Baldi's school, but it's present in this school. It's a very crazy thing. I don't know that. What? That's principal. No, you're gonna get okay. You're gonna get to school here, and you got. Actually, the fact this character was me, but. Really, this character is me, but the fact that new character was me, I really don't know what to say. Yeah, guys, yeah. I think that he got captured, so I'm gonna spestate that guy again. Spestating Jaden 20ZZ. What am I talking? ZZ. Must not be anyone in this classroom. Okay, please be, because he's not going to this classroom. I think they didn't, the students didn't collect any notebook at all. And there's 5 minutes. You have to really collect the notebook right now because the bully's coming. Now here's rule slap. Not rule. Wrong spelling. Rule slap. Oh, you know what? Can Playtime make bully jump road? I didn't see that. Like, it doesn't like happen real life bully. I'm a moving. Ah! So sorry to not show you guys the thing is. Baldi. You know what, guys? I'm helping Baldi to catch the students, but no, this guy got captured to the lair. Actually, you know what? I am helping get captured. Oh gosh, come on, go that way. Okay, really, I don't know what to say. I think like 3 students are available in this game, so I think that if you like the 3 students are gonna come and then get captured and then the game will be over. 3 minutes timer. The girl, I'm supposed to be the girl and then to the girl. Now Baldi catching her. I didn't see these chairs in real Baldi. I think these chairs was in Baldi, but I didn't see them. Like it's been 2 years. I started Baldi in 2019, but it was made 2019 year ago. 2018 Baldi was made, but started in 2019. It's a very good thing. Also a crazy thing. Started in 2019 because I should have started in 2018. So how many girl ears? 5. Oh, I thought this. Okay, this was the school year. This is not the school year. Did she get detention or did she go to the detention room and then collect some principal's key? Oh yeah, she got to the detention because the principal saw her taking the principal. Get away, Baldi's over there. Actually, you know what? I am gonna spestate Baldi right now. Baldi's right there. The principal. Why is he not moving? Why is it glitching? Shop. I've no items. I really don't know. Don't know. That's wrong. I really don't have any items right now. Okay, can I spestate the principal? Okay. Only she's there and then only this principal not spestate. Let's spestate the baldi. Huh? She left. Okay, she left. She left. And there's a guest guy there. I don't know why. But Jaden20 ZZ, not ZZ. I don't want to say J as my name. Riznu. What a crazy thing. Pretty also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are there in this. 5. Yep. This is how we team up to play baldi basics like this. This is how we team up to play baldi basics like this. So I never like played these games of baldi and Roblox, but I played one of them, like few of them, like baldi. Another role play game. I didn't play it, but I don't like record baldi role play games. But what's the student ability to choose an LB steps around you just to be sure about some sharp. Actually, my student. I am a student. Math is cool. Hi, baldi. I really like your face. I will. That's it. Answer the 3 questions in I know. Answer that. Press the answer box for anything. Oh, wait. 1 plus 4 is 5. And plus 2 is Y. And Steve. Fail. 3. Oh, gosh. I'll get angry if every problem get wrong. Baldi's coming right now. Let's just escape. Find all the 7 notebooks. I really don't know what to say. Oh gosh! No! Get away. Okay, I'm so scared. School is not for me. No! No! First time only captures. No! 87 seconds. And Zayden also got captured. The score. I think I have to wait for 80 seconds to finish the school year. Now 77. I cannot talk properly. 73 seconds. Yep. Now 68 seconds. Zayden and I are in this creepy school lair room. I don't know what the school lair room is. Like normally. Okay, Huston, this is something, guy. Let's put in this stupid school lair. I really want teammates. I don't want to be myself just like collecting all my 7 notebooks. Actually, 1 of 7 notebooks. That is a good job. That is a good job. 38 seconds, go! Okay. Oh gosh. I really don't know what to say. I don't want to show you guys what. Actually, you know what? I'm showing you. I am showing you. Okay, 17 seconds. Good. We can do this, guys. 30 seconds. Oh, yes. 12, 11. Okay, I'm gonna count. School year. No. 9, 8, 7. Oh! Get away. No. 3, 2, 1. No. Give me. Okay. Oh gosh. I don't say. Principal, are you gonna sell? Oh, okay. Who's in the halls? Oh no! Run away! Pull me! Ball is right away. Run away. I have to probably run away right now, so I'm gonna run away. I hate to get attention. I cannot attention. Score for 81 seconds. I cannot wait. 9 minutes also. This is also. Okay. Another guy struck into Baldi's way, and then Baldi just sent that girl over. Huh? What? Why did I get detention? Why? Teacher? There's a teacher? You got